Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I have this Born Pretty PR package that they went ahead and sent over to me. Thank you guys so much at Born Pretty. I appreciate this beautiful little gift here. They're all really pretty and I'm super excited to go share with you guys the colors that I got, and I will also be sharing with you guys a press-on set that I will be making. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did take a while to upload. My uploads were not consistent throughout these 2 weeks. The reason being is that I took 10 nail courses. All of them started on August 11th, and they just ended 2 days ago, so I was able to take new info and basically incorporate it to what I was doing, and just learn new techniques and just learn the right techniques as well. So those courses helped me a lot, and that throughout that time I did have to take back and just take a moment to actually learn it, memorize it and all that, because it takes me a while to memorize things. I have like a very bad memory. But yeah, I went ahead and just did that, and now I'm here. Hopefully, I'm able to stay consistent again. But yeah, that's mainly just the reason I was gone, and I definitely recommend if you guys have an opportunity to take any nail courses, definitely do. They're super helpful and super fun as well. But yeah, I am so excited for today's video as well. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So as we can see here, we have 3 different bottle designs. We have this one here, we have this one, and then this one. This is their top coat, which I absolutely love. So here you guys can see it's a little bit dirty. It has some cuticle oil because I'm filming this after I went ahead and placed the set on my nails to take pictures for you guys. So I did have a little cuticle oil on the bottles now. But here's how this one looks. It has a rubbery matte feeling to it. I love these bottles. They're super pretty. This is the color 35 and they're 15 milliliters each. I also love that it has a swatch up here. And just look at that. Their consistency is a medium consistency, I would say. It's really, it's not too thin or too thick. It's perfect. I love Born Pretty's, consistency. My little sister is here. I'm taking care of her as always. I really like Born Pretty's consistency. I think they're super easy to work with. I have no problems with their gel polish or anything like that, so I highly recommend you guys have an opportunity to try them. Or if you have tried it, let me know what you guys think down below. I honestly really like these. Here's the color BP22. You guys can see the bottle. It also has a very matte feeling. These are matte, but they don't have that rubbery feeling like these, This one is 10 milliliters. This one's 15. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys side to side comparison. Here's how they look. And this color, let me tell you guys, this was definitely my favorite colors. Just look at how beautiful this color is. Okay, I got my camera to focus, and this is the color. Just look at how beautiful that consistency is, and just how beautiful that color is. As you guys can see, it's not runny at all. I placed a lot of it. I didn't even remove that excess, and it's just not even runny. I love it. This color is definitely my favorite colors. I'm gonna go ahead and now show you guys the last bottle. This one here has a glossy feeling, and it's the color white, and then it has a gold lid here. My little sister's coming here towards my nail table. That's gonna be a disaster in a bit. But yeah, this is the color Snow Purple. This one's 7 milliliters and this one's 10. Hopefully you guys can see the difference between the bottles here. And this color is also really pretty. I love how this color, you can go ahead and just mix it with another color on top. Just look how pretty this looks. And lastly, we have the top coat here, which I did actually not open it up because I already have the top coat that I always use, and I don't want to open this one up if I'm still gonna continue using this one. But this top coat is 7 milliliters each. I love this top coat. It doesn't get dull, it's anti-scratch, any water or anything like that. It still stays shiny for days, and I highly recommend you guys try it out. Like I said, I really like it, and it's definitely one of my top favorites now. I use it almost for every single set that I do, and like I said, I really recommend you guys try this one out. But yeah, they all came individually wrapped in this little plastic. Yeah, you can see here. I just went ahead and took them out beforehand, so I'm able to just get right into showing you guys how everything looks. Anywho, without further ado, I'm going to go into the swatches to show you guys these beautiful colors, and then we're going to go ahead and go into the press-on set. So I went ahead and placed my nail tips onto my stand here. I'm using the style Long Square by Painted Desert. I also do want to let you guys know that she is currently having a 20% off sale for 72 hours only, and you guys can get an extra 10% off using my discount code PRIS10 for money off your purchase. I absolutely recommend you guys try out these quick gel tips. They're perfect for that gel X method. They just make, you know, doing nails so much easier, and I definitely will be making a video on that soon. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Using the color BP22, which I said this is my favorite color, and it's such a beautiful color, I'm going to go ahead and just do one thin layer onto each nail, then cure for 30 seconds. So once that has been cured, I'm going to go in with that second layer, doing a very thin layer again, and then curing again for 30 seconds. Now using the color 35, I'm going to go ahead and kind of create my smile line by starting off by creating a line diagonally until it meets at the middle, and I'm just going to go ahead and just round that out. Once I have my smile line, I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that to the other nail as well. Now using my liner brush, I'm going to go ahead and just place some gel polish onto it. Then I'm going to go ahead and just fill that in and then cure for 30 seconds. Before curing, I do want to let you guys know that this looks a little bit streaky at the moment, so I do go ahead and just let that sit for at least a minute or so to level the gel polish out, and then I go ahead and actually cure. Now using the color BWH783, I'm going to go ahead and just add a thin layer of this glitter gel polish on top of the purple color, then cure for 30 seconds. Now here onto the middle nail, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a line diagonally across the entire nail, meeting from the right end to the left end, just like so. Then I went ahead and cured that. Here I'm going to go ahead and draw a little bit of some abstract lines across the entire nail, then cure for 30 seconds. Now onto the middle nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat and then cure for 30 seconds. So now that has been cured, I'm going to go ahead and be using a dotting tool and some gel polish. I'm using the color 35 still. And I'm going to go ahead and just be drawing some little dots to kind of create an outline for a heart that I will be making. I'm going ahead and just drawing the heart, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Once that has been filled in, I'm not going to go ahead and cure. I'm going to go ahead and just let it settle for a while to even out. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be doing next. I'll be using some of this beautiful iridescent fine glitter. I'm just going to go ahead and grab a little bit of it and then just place that on top of the nail. Just sprinkle it on there just like so, then cure for 30 seconds. Once that has been cured, I'm going to go ahead and just remove any of the excess glitter, and that's basically it for this nail. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and just top coat each nail, then cure for 60 seconds. So last minute, I went ahead and thought about it, and I was like, I should maybe add some rhinestones. So I went ahead and chose these AB rhinestones. Using my wax tool, I'm going to go ahead and just place them onto the wet top coat. My camera was dying. It was starting to do that blinking little sound and that blinking battery, which meant that, my camera was dying. So I was going ahead and just placing them like whatever, then fixing them off camera just so you guys are able to get an idea of how I placed them. But yeah, that's basically what I did. Then I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds. So here's how the set turned out. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think the little color combo that I did there definitely added a little bit more to it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sorry you guys for the late upload, but hopefully you guys still enjoy it, and hopefully you guys had a good day.